A warm welcome to Littleton Engineering Contractor Induction, which should take you round about 12 minutes to complete. The induction is split into 3 sections. At the end of each section, you'll be asked to answer some questions. You'll need to correctly answer all questions to get the big tick that will allow you to crack on and do your work here at Littleton Engineering. Okay, let's get started. The focus of everything that we do here at Littleton Engineering is risk management injury prevention. Our values are based on the first principle that everybody has the right to work in a safe and healthy environment. As a contractor, we need you to adopt those values to manage all risks to prevent harm or loss, always. Before we get into the detail, we'll pause and think about your journey here today, either in a ute, van or truck. Whoever was driving had to obey the legal road rules: stop signs, traffic lights, give way signs, have a valid license, warrant of fitness, and so on. You know the road rules and the hazards on the road. You also know how to stay safe to get from A to B intact. Working for Littleton Engineering is based on the same principles. There are legal rules and many hazards: noise, welding, overhead cranes, forklifts, heavy machinery. Wherever you are working, you'll need to be aware of the hazards and take steps to control the risks, just as you do when driving from A to B. You will have to identify all hazards that you will create as part of your work and manage the critical risks. Critical risks are those risks that could result in acute or chronic harm, a disabling injury that could be temporary or permanent, and a serious near miss. All workers and businesses have shared duties and responsibilities to identify hazards, then put in place control measures that will ensure the risk is tolerable to work safely. Control measures will include machine guarding, extraction units for fumes, your training and expertise, as well as task-specific personal protective equipment such as respirators, harnesses, glasses, goggles, boots, gloves, and high-visibility overalls. All businesses need to manage risks to meet their legal obligations. You need to have identified training specific to your industry and the good practice guidelines and codes of practice relevant to your hazards to ensure effective control of your risks. Watch this short video to observe the pathway through the workshops, but also note the critical risks at each pause.